Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about Fiverr affiliate marketing, how to sign up and set it up, and I will also explain the different commission plans on Fiverr and how you can get your affiliate link for each plan, and also how you get affiliate link for a specific gigs or page on Fiverr. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Wale Lukman Motayo. On this channel, I share videos on how you can make money online with your smartphone. And if that's what you are looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's continue. As you already know, Fiverr is a freelance website where freelancers post their jobs, their skills. As you can see, AI artist, logo design. These are freelancers skills. Your job as an affiliate is to promote those skills and get paid for it. As you can see, we have a lot of job to promote, from logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio. So to register as an affiliate, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on affiliate, and you can just go to um you can click on this link affiliate, or you can just go to fiverr.affiliate.com. As you can see, affiliate.fiverr.com. Boost your earning by, as you can see, you get paid by driving traffic to Fiverr. All you have to do is just to promote their freelance service and get paid. To sign up, just click this join now button here, and you can sign up with your Google account or Facebook account, or also your Apple ID. So fill up this information and click on next. So let's talk about the commission. Fiverr has over 5 commission plans, so you have to choose the one that suits you. So let me explain each commission plans for you. This one is Fiverr CP. As you can see, this first one, which is Fiverr CP, this is a fixed commission paid to you when your first time buyer purchase or hire a freelancer, and it is paid once for for that customer, but the payout is different based on the service purchase, and it ranges from $15 to $150 per customer. So these are the service and their respective commission. So if you go down, you see um $50 will be paid to industrial and product design, graphics and design, data science, mobile apps, website development. If your buyers make purchase in any of these categories, it will be paid $50. And the $40 category is website builders, lyrics and music video, data processing, and architecture and interior design. So we have different one: e-commerce product, reading and editing. So, and we have $25 plan commission, which is illustration, gaming, articles and blog posts, video marketing, social media marketing, and other categories are $15. The second one, let me scroll back up. The second one is Fiverr Hybrid. So this is a plan that allows you to keep getting commission from a buyer for the next 12 months on every purchase he or she made during that period. You get $10 for the first purchases, and you keep getting 10% revenue share for 1 year. So every other product he or she purchases on Fiverr, keep get 10% of that price for 1 year. So this one runs for a year. And the third one is Fiverr Pro. Is Fiverr Pro. When you get $100, when the buyer spend reach $100, as you can see, when the account reaches $100 in spend, and 10% revenue share for 12 months or so. And the fourth one is a Fiverr affiliate. You will get 10% of every referred affiliate earnings from title earning for life. If you want to start, click the link in my description below. It will only take you a minute. So let's log in and see how to get affiliate link for each plan. So I'm logged in. So this is the dashboard, and this is how your dashboard look like. You see overall, um you see the overall of the account. So for you to get your link, just come to marketing tools and click the default and deep links. But before I continue, I want to recommend an affiliate marketing course that shows you how you can get leads and traffic as an affiliate marketer, either for free or paid one. So the link to this course is also in the description below. Check it out. So let's continue. We have 5 affiliate links under this section. We have the Fiverr CPA, we have the Fiverr Hybrid, we have the Fiverr Learn, Fiverr Business, and Fiverr Sub Affiliate. So this is the CPA, the fixed affiliate marketing plan, and this is the 10% per purchases for the next 12 months. So if you copy any of this link, it will take you to Fiverr homepage. So let me copy it and show you. So it will take me here, but if you want to take your buyers to web design page like this, and you can't copy that link and send it to them because you take them to the home page. So all you have to do is copy this link. So let me copy this page link and go back to your account, and you click this LP URL and you paste the link there and you click enter. So as you can see, the links change and it's longer than before. So all you have to do now is to copy and you send it to your buyers or your customer to use the link. As you can see, it will take them to the website design page. So, and you can also do it for something like this if you want to just promote this Victoria J work. So click on it, get the link from this page, and go to your website and your account and deep link it. So also you get for other plans also: Fiverr Hybrid, Fiverr Learn, Fiverr Business, and Fiverr Sub Affiliate. First your payment when you end up to $100. So if you click here, payment request, it will show when you have $100 threshold, and you can put your account details here. You can input your account details. So this will be the end. This will be the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. And don't forget to check the affiliate marketing course below.